What's going on, guys? I'm Jack, and recently Apple has released the public beta, which you can install iOS 13 for free, which also is more stable than the original iOS 13 beta 1 update. So to install it, you're going to want to go to Safari and go to beta.apple.com, and once you are there, you will find a web page that has Apple Beta Software Program, and you're going to want to sign up or sign in. For me, it's going to be sign in. Okay, to get started, you're going to want to click on Enroll Your iOS Device underneath Get Started. And first you're going to want to archive your phone just in case your phone does crash and you might lose data. And you install the profile. I already have the developer beta, so I'm not going to install this right now. I do not want to be on the public beta, but if you click that, it will pull up a link which will then ask you to restart your phone, and then if you go into updates after the restart, it will pop up the latest public beta.